Second-degree heart block. Second-degree heart block, a type of atrioventricular AV block. Electrical signals between the atria and ventricles are partially blocked. Divided into two main types, Mobitz type 1, Wenck-Bach, and Mobitz type 2. Cardiac conduction system overview. Diagram showing SA node, AV node. Bundle of His, bundle branches, Purkinje fibers. AV node plays a critical role in delaying signal to allow ventricular filling. Classification of AV blocks. First degree, prolonged PR interval. More than 0.20 s, but no dropped beats. Second degree, some P waves not followed by QRS complexes. Third degree, complete dissociation between atria and ventricles. Mobitz type 1, Wenck-Bach. Progressive prolongation of PR interval until a beat is dropped. Usually benign and often asymptomatic. Often occurs at the level of the AV node. Mobitz type 1 ECG characteristics. Gradually lengthening PR interval. Followed by a dropped QRS complex. Grouped beating, example, 3-2-4-3 conduction. Mobitz type 2. Intermittent non-conducted P waves without PR interval prolongation. More serious than type 1. Usually occurs below the AV node, his Purkinje system. May progress to complete heart block. Mobitz type 2 ECG characteristics. Constant PR interval in conducted beats. Sudden dropped QRS without warning. Risk of bradycardia and asystole. Causes of second-degree AV block, intrinsic cardiac causes, ischemic heart disease. Myocardial infarction, especially inferior wall for type 1, anterior wall for type 2. Degenerative changes in conduction system. Extrinsic causes, medications, example, beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, digoxin. Electrolyte imbalances, example hyperkalemia. Vagal tone increase. Symptoms, often asymptomatic, especially type 1. Dizziness. Fatigue, syncope or near syncope. Palpitations. Diagnosis, 12-lead ECG. Holter monitoring for intermittent symptoms. Electrophysiology study in uncertain cases. Important to distinguish between type 1 and type 2. Management, Mobitz type 1. Often no treatment required if asymptomatic. Remove or adjust contributing medications. Atropine in acute symptomatic cases. Monitor for progression. Management, Mobitz type 2. Requires more urgent attention. Temporary pacing if symptomatic. Permanent pacemaker is often indicated. Avoid AV nodal blocking agents. Nursing considerations. Monitor heart rate and rhythm closely. Observe for signs of decreased cardiac output. Educate patient about symptoms to report. Prepare for pacing if necessary. Medication review and adjustment. Prognosis, type 1, often benign, especially if reversible cause. Type 2, higher risk for progression to complete heart block and sudden cardiac death without pacing. Summary. Second-degree AV block is equal to intermittent failure of signal from atria to ventricles. Two types with different severity and management. ECG is crucial for diagnosis. Type 2 often requires permanent pacemaker.